This is Justin Scoop for SPX on Thursday, September 18th, 2025. The first thing I noticed looking at the chart today is so we put in this high, and then we put in a lower high, and then a lower high. And then over here, we put a low, and I'm going to draw it up here. We kind of were relatively flat here. And so that's a nice consolidation. But on the calls, we were going lower. On the puts, we were going lower. And it just shows that we're just resting. Like we spent most of the day resting. The only real move today was that hammer right there uh, after taking out the low. And then it reversed with that really big bull candle, rested here, and then broke out. And, put in a new all time high as it did that. And then rested at an all time high. Didn't sell off. I mean, there were some pushes back down. These kind of corresponded with, I still have the RSI. So that one corresponded with the RSI. This one didn't quite get to an overbought RSI. But kind of what I talked about yesterday was still holding true with some RSI on the oversold side, the upper side of the R side there. Um, that's about it. There were some opportunities to buy at an inexpensive price. Uh, buying. I've got it kind of zoomed in here on buying at $1, and riding that up. So that put shorting here. It did take out this high. Let me clean this up. So we took out this high and then we went sideways. And this is similar to yesterday. It's like, okay, this is kind of just a low risk trade. If you get in bearish here, where's your stop? Your stop could be just a little bit here, or just do absolute zero. Is it really going to charge higher? Is it really going to rest here, break out, come back down, and then go? Like, is it really? I think it needed to rest more today. So that's what happened. So instead of that, it kind of lost its steam, put in a couple upper wicks here, went sideways quite a bit, and then all of a sudden just started to go down. And it didn't go down far, but it was enough that you could buy at $1 and flip it out maybe for three. So buy at one, sell at three, or somewhere close to that. You could definitely double the option. So buy at one, sell at two. That for sure worked. If I clear out of the sketch tool, then we can see, okay, the low over here was 0.95. The high over here was 3.1. So yeah, buy at one, sell at three. That would have worked. And it would have worked just by recognizing, hey, this is going really sideways. What if I just get in with buying for $1? 66.25 put would have done that. Again, just looking at the quarters here, seeing how they're moving. We made it into the money for the 66.50 call here. And then we started the day quite a bit in the money. Or no, I'm sorry, moving into the money, not opening in the money on the 66.25 put. So even seeing this get up to a nice value here, selling off, getting really low all the way down to $1, it still recovered some. So the other area that it recovered to, let me draw again, uh, is it came back into kind of the lows that it established over here. It retested those uh, when it kind of rallied. And I always like to see that it's retracing that level, even if it's on a put, you know, um, on the actual option is what I mean. So another all-time high. Are we alternating again? Did we just start a bear bull? Are we going to get a bear day tomorrow? I guess we'll see. We've got a lot of upper wicks, or 2 days in a row upper wicks, 2 days in a row lower wicks. There is some indecisiveness here at a new all-time high. We're staying really, really close to this midline. So yesterday we closed below it. Today we closed above it. Um, we still had decent range. Yesterday range 73. Today's range was 44, or almost 45. So, but we keep making all-time highs. Something's got to give here. I thought we would have a stronger day with it gapping up. And so the fact that we do have quite a bit of upper wick and lower wick and a much smaller body, that does not look as strong. This does not look, this candle here kind of looks similar to this candle here back on August 13th. Upper wick, lower wick, kind of moving up from a previous strong day. So, there was strong buying yesterday. from the low to the close was probably similar to the low to the close on this candle, just roughing it out. Now, obviously, this one's a bull candle. This one was quite a bit of a high wave candle. Um, but if we are at this kind of a candle here on this push up, and we've got a very similar push up here, are we going to rest? Do we put another bull day? Do we gap down, put a bull day? Right now, futures are down a little bit, so we could gap down, buy back up. If we do sideways a little bit, it may be one of those lower risk trades to get into something, maybe absolute value, into the next week or the following week's expiration, and look for a pullback into maybe this 21 exponential. So if we go sideways a couple days, this will move up to probably 65.40, 65.50. And if we were able to play that down to that level, kind of like this came down just within a couple days, that's enough of a rest. I guess we'll have to wait and see what happens. Hope this helps. This is Justin. Thanks.